Right after the rollout of the iOS 16 update, a new search icon is added to the home screen by default. It automatically replaces the dots that indicate the number of home screens you have, and while it doesn't interfere with how you use your device, some users are just not used to having it. In this video, we will show you how to easily and quickly remove the search icon from the home screen in iOS 16. But before we move on, please like and share our videos so we can help other users who might have issues with their devices. Now going back to our topic, here's how it's done. Go back to the home screen, find Settings and tap on it once found. Scroll down to find Home Screen and once found, tap on it. There will be just a few options on the next screen. Tap the switch next to Show on Home Screen to disable it. It will be replaced with 3 dots which indicates the number of home screens you have. And that's pretty much it. We hope this guide can help you. You may subscribe to our channel to support us or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.